What's up guys, Isaiah here with Blackout Tinting. And as you can see, we're not at our typical main shop, we're at the emergency shop. And today, we're gonna go talk to some of our techs and just see their backgrounds.
Hi, I'm Joe Popenick, and this is my assistant, Chuck McDowell.
Hello.
Junior.
I have a strong history in the emergency service background. Always had a thing for 12 volt, so it just kind of worked out that whenever we had the opportunity to open this shop, we went ahead and did it.
Okay, unlike Chuck, I never had a thing for 12 volt. However, I always had a thing for two-way radios, etc. Started off working for Motorola, was there for years, worked for AT&T Wireless, worked for Ericsson, worked for Staley Communications, and last Bearcom. And was able to retire, so I retired. My son owns Blackout Tinting, and I told him, you know, I had seen so many very, very poor installation jobs. Won't mention any names of the companies that did them, but some of the vehicles actually burn up through the years. So I decided that we needed to open an emergency vehicle services department and do it right. So that's what we did, and between Chuck, me, and we have another guy that helps us, his name is Steve, we try to do things right. I mean, we solder everything, we heat shrink everything, we loom everything, and when it's done, we feel that it's done properly. It's might be a few bucks more, but not always.
Not always.
But it's something that when it's done, you're not going to have to worry about it.
You always pay for quality. I mean, you can go for the lowest price, but nothing saying that you're going to get the quality work or quality lights or radios out of the lowest price. And that's what we pride ourselves on. If the work wouldn't go in our own vehicle, it's not going to leave here.
So we got some specialized tools here I wanted to show you. Got some basic stuff, C-clamps, some snips. Alrighty guys, thank you. It's great to see the different backgrounds that our workers have. But we'll continue on, we'll go back to the main shop. Alrighty guys, so we're back in the main shop here in LATROBE, and you know, the first thing that a lot of people will see when they walk into our showroom are these. Our brand new end cap signs. This one here on the left, showcasing tint, as well as paint protection film on the right. We're pretty proud of them, nice and vibrant. Our media director does an awesome job. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got going on this week. Coating wise, we got 4 different things we're working on. We've got 22 Escalade, 22 Silverado, as well as a 22 Durango. It is the week for 2022 here. And then we also have a 2020 Charger getting coating as well. Paint protection film wise, the only thing that we really got going on is going to be the Durango. It's going to be getting PPF on the bumper as well as just the front part of the hood. And then you might have seen it last week. We were working on a stealth wrap for a brand new 2022 GT500 that was black. You just missed it, just went home with the owner. Got a few images for you that we wanted to show you. Let's go take a look at a cool project that we have going on. All right, we have a 2021 Lamborghini Urus behind me. For those of you who don't know what that is, it is actually Lamborghini's SUV that they have. It's brilliant, it's beautiful, it looks amazing, and we're actually gonna be working on one for the next week or so. Man, so this is how it feels like. We're actually inside the Urus right now, and it is beautiful. Orange accents everywhere, contrast stitching, and just orange pieces that make this thing look sexy. But you know, when it comes to the work that we're going to be doing, it's on the exterior. And you might have seen there are blue pieces of tape on the exterior, on the bumper pieces, flares, even on the rear piece as well. And what we're going to be doing is we'll be putting carbon fiber vinyl on there that's printed. And then once we do wrap those areas with the carbon fiber vinyl, we will put paint protection film over that to protect it, to make sure that everything is nice and just looking great for as long as possible. So that's all that we got going on in LATROBE this week. Luke, what do you got for us up in Gibsonia?
What's up guys, it's Wednesday, so it's time for your weekly shop tour. In the back we have this Tesla Model Y. This is in for our track package. That includes the entire front bumper, the full hood, the 2 front fenders, the mirror caps, along with the lower rocker panel pieces. This morning we tinted all the side windows and the back window in our Prime XR 35% tint. This made the 2 front doors 35%. It made the factory tinted back section what we call net 5%. In the tint bay, we had this 2020 Ford Edge ST. This is getting the 2 front windows stripped and retinted in our Prime XR 5% film. Back here we have Mark working on this 2021 Grand Cherokee L. This got the mini hood kit, which is about the size of a bug shield here. You can see the leading edge right up there. And we are currently paint correcting the vehicle, so any kind of imperfections are taken care of. Next up is the ceramic coating. Over here we have an RS6 Avant. This was in about 6 months ago for a full body PPF wrap, and unfortunately they had some damage on the front fender, but luckily the PPF saved them. So we took off the front fender piece, reapplied a new piece, and it is now as good as new. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
What's going on, everybody? It is finally Wednesday, so let's see what we have going on in the shop this week. All right, so we're gonna start off inside here. So we have a brand new Porsche GT4 in for a full XPEL 10mm wrap. It is also getting the windows tinted in our XR Plus 20% film. This car looks awesome. Straight from the dealership right to us. We also have a surprise visitor here who is actually doing some work down here for us. This is Aaron. You might know him from the LATROBE shop. He is the paint protection film manager. So yeah, he's down here working his magic. All right, over here is a 2022 Tesla Model 3 Performance. This got a full XPEL paint protection film wrap, and we are doing the window tint on it now. So it's also getting XR Plus 5% the whole way around with 70 on the windshield. And what's in a shop Wednesday without a Corvette? So this is a 2022 C8 in Elkhart Blue. This one is getting our full front clip package. So we're gonna be doing the full front fenders, full hood, headlights, the front bumper, and then all of these carbon flash pieces down here as well, and the mirrors. Beautiful spec on this one. All right, so that's all that we have going on this week here at Blackout Tinting Miami. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you next week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take care.